Welcome to the trigonometry part 4 exercise. We'll be discussing on these questions today and I hope that you all will be cleared.
Okay, we're going to start this problem from the right hand side. It's easy solving the problem from RHS because it looks like this can be changed in the form of formula. So we write here cos square theta whole square plus sin square theta whole square. So it changes in the formula of a square plus b square. The formula of a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2 a b. This is the formula of a square plus b square. Now this is 2 here. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. 1 square is also 1 minus 2. You have cos theta into sin theta dot. So you can write here cos theta into sin theta and a whole square because here whole square. So you can multiply numerator and denominator both by 2. So that you can write this in the form of formula. So you have 2 here. 1 minus 2. 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. You have the square here. And 2 square is 4 here. So 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. So you have 2 1 minus sin square 2 theta by 2. Now you can take the LCM of the denominators here. You can take LCM here. We can solve it. You have LCM is 2. 2 1 is 2 minus sin square 2 theta. 2 and 2 cancel. Now what you have left is 2 minus sin square 2 theta. You have left this one. Now we try to compare this to the RHS. So this 2 can be broken into, split into 1 plus 1. 1 as it is. 1 minus sin square 2 theta is cos square 2 theta. We have drawn the formula in the small classes. 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So here in place of theta, if you have 2 theta, then you can also write here 2 theta. So 1 minus sin square 2 theta is 1 plus cos square 2 theta. So this is our LHS. So we prove it in this way. Okay, we're going to solve this problem from LHS. We have cos cube a here. We should know the formula of cos cube a. So we have here cos 3a is 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. So when you further simplify it, we get the formula of cos cube a. Cos 3a plus 3 cos a by 4 is the formula of cos cube a. So we're going to write the same. Cos 3a plus 3 cos a by 4 into dot cos 3a. Now you also have the formula of sin cube a. So we have the formula of sin 3a. 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Now when you solve the formula, we get that sin cube a equals to 3 sin a minus sin 3a by 4. We get the formula of sin cube a this way. So the formula of sin cube a is 3 sin a minus sin 3a by 4 into dot cos 3a. Now we multiply the numerator with the numerator and denominator with the denominator. So when you multiply, what you get here is cos 3a into cos 3a is, I'm sorry, there is a small error in the question. This should be sin 3a. Okay, now this will also be sin 3a. Now when you do so, now cos 3 into sin 3a is cos 3a sin 3a. 3 cos a into sin 3a is 3 cos a sin 3a. And the denominator is 4. We do the same thing here. 3 sin a into cos 3a is 3 sin a cos 3a minus sin 3 into cos 3 is sin 3a cos 3a, and the denominator is 4. Now we can take LCM of the denominator. the LCM being 4 because you have 4 and 4 here. Now everything remains same. other okay, other all remain same. Now we check whether we can cancel some of the things around. We have cos 3a, sin 3a positive here. We have cos 3a, sin 3a negative here. They are cancelled. Now we can take 3 common, and you have cos a sin 3a plus sin a cos 3a by 4. Now this is the formula of sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, sin a plus b. So you finally have 3 by 4 sin 4a as your answer. So this is how we prove the RHS. So we're going to start this problem from the right hand side. Looks like easy from the right hand side. So I'm starting from the right RHS. You have 4 here. You have cos power 6 theta minus sin power 6 theta. So when you change it in the formula of a cube minus b cube, it changes to be a minus b a square plus a b plus b square. So we wrote it in the form of a minus b, a cube minus b cube formula. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. We all know this formula. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. Now we arrange the term cos square theta whole square plus sin square theta whole square. We put them together and we write it in the form of a square plus b square. So cos square theta whole square plus sin square theta whole square. Writing in the form of a square plus b square, we have a plus b whole square minus 2ab. You already have here plus cos square theta sin square theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta is cos 2 theta. A square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab, and this is written on here. Now you have 4 cos 2 theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1, and the square of 1 is also 1. They are the like terms, so we can solve them. So minus 2 cos square theta sin square theta plus cos square theta sin square theta is minus cos square theta sin square theta. Now let us write in the form of formula. We have cos theta sin theta whole square. We write here 2. We also write in the denominator 2, so that it changes in the form of formula. Now what we can do is 4 cos 2 theta. Now 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. You have square here as well, and the square of 2 is 4. Now we take the LCM down there. Now I'm taking LCM here. Your denominator is 4. 4 1 is 4 minus sin square 2 theta. Now you can cancel this 4 and 4. Now what is left here is cos 2 theta. Now you can split this 4 into 3 plus 1. Cos 2 theta. Okay, I think we can write further down here. Cos 2 theta. 3 plus 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. Now let us multiply this. 3 into cos 2 theta is 3 cos 2 theta plus cos 2 theta into cos square theta 2 theta is cos cube 2 theta, which is our left hand side. So this is how we get our solution to be proven. Okay. I'm solving this problem from LHS. So you have tan 20 here. So this can be written as sin 20 by cos 20 plus 4 sin 20. We take LCM. Sin 20 by cos 20. So after taking LCM, we get here 4 sin 20 and cos 20. So we got this after taking LCM and simplifying the terms. Now we have sin 20 here. Now in place of this 4, you can write here 2 into 2 sin 20 cos 20 divided by cos 20. Now we have 2 sin 20 cos 20 is in the form of 2 sin a cos a, that is sin 2a. So you will have here sin 40 degree here. 2 and a sin 40. So now in place of this 40, we can even write 60 minus 20 by cos 20. 2 sin a cos a is sin 2a. Sin 2a is sin 2 into 20. Sin 2 into 20 is sin 40. And in place of 40, you can write 60 minus 20. Now you can see that this looks like in a form of formula sin a minus b. Your formula is sin a into cos b minus cos a into sin b divided by cos 20. Now we have sin 20 here plus 2. Now sin 60 is root 3 by 2 into cos 20. And then cos 60 is 1 by 2 sin 20 by cos 20. Now I am doing it here. Sin 20 as it is. Now cos 2 also same. You have root 3 by 2 and you have 1 by 2 here. So you can take 1 by 2 common. Now what is left is cos 20 minus you also have root 3 here. After taking common, you have root 3 here. Root 3 cos 20 minus 1 by 2 into sin 20. 1 by 2 is already common. You have sin 20 left here. Divided by cos 20. Now 2 and 2 cancel. Now what is left here is sin 20 plus root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20 divided by cos 20. Now plus sin 20 minus sin 120 cancel. Now what you have left is root 3 cos 20 by cos 20. So when you cancel this cos 20, you have root 3 left, which is our RHS. We're going to start the problem from the left hand side. Sin theta. Now in place of this one, you can write here sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now in sin 2 theta, you can write here 2 sin theta cos theta. Now let's go to the denominator. We repeat the same thing in the denominator also. In place of 1, you write here sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. This is sin theta minus. Now you can write in the form of formula a square plus 2ab plus b square. This becomes to be a plus b whole square. Same thing in the denominator also. A square plus 2ab plus b square. This also comes to be a plus b whole square. Now square and square root cancel, square and square root cancel. You have sin theta minus sin theta plus cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta plus cos theta. Now when you remove the bracket, you will have sin theta minus cos theta over cos theta minus sin theta minus cos theta. Now you can cancel this cos sin theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus cos theta. You have minus cos theta by minus sin theta. Minus and minus cancel and cos theta by sin theta is cot theta. This is our RHS. Okay, we can start this problem from LHS. So we all know that 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta. So cos square theta becomes 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So we do the same thing. Cos square theta, this is assumed to be theta. So according to formula it will be 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Now here also cos square theta, cos square A 1 plus cos 2a by 2. Again cos square 120 plus theta, 1 plus cos 2 120 plus a by 2. Now we take the LCM from all the three terms. The LCM becomes to be 2. 1 plus cos 2 into 120 is 240 minus 2 into a is 2a. 1 plus cos 2a plus 1 plus cos 2 into 120 is 240 plus 2 into a is 2a. Now here 1 plus 1 plus 1 gives you 3 plus. Now we can apply formula here, cos a minus b. Cos a minus b is cos a into cos b plus sin a into sin b. 1 has already gone there. Now what you have left here is cos 2a. Now again we can use the formula, or we can remove this cos sign here. Cos a plus b, cos a into cos b minus sin a into sin b. So this is all the numerator is divided by the denominator 2. Okay, now we can see if there is something that we can cancel is plus sin 240 into sin 2a minus sin 240 into sin 2a. So we can cancel the formula. Or we can also use the formula cos a minus b plus cos a plus b here directly, but still we are in the initial phase, so we might not know that one. Right now we can cancel this term in this way. Now 3 plus. Now we'll see how much is cos 240 degree in a calculator. You can simply use it's minus 1 by 2, but still cos 240 degree in a calculator you can get here minus 1 by 2. So in place of cos 240 degree you can here write here minus 1 by 2 cos 2a plus, it is looking quite odd here. Okay, 3 plus cos 120 is minus 1 by 2 cos a plus you have cos 2a. Now you have cos 120. This is also minus 1 by 2 cos 2a. Okay, we got this from the calculation. Okay, now we'll solve it furthermore. These all are the like terms. You can now, since these all are the like term, you can simplify it. You have, let me see if the camera is capturing all or not. Okay, now we come here. Now we'll solve this way. Now you have minus 2 cos 2a, so this numerator is minus cos 2a, or you can directly see that these all gets cancelled. Minus 1 by 2 cos 2a minus 1 by 2 cos 2a is minus cos 2a plus cos 2a by 2. See, minus 1 by 2 cos 2a minus 1 by 2 cos 2a is minus cos 2a. So this and this cancel. Now your answer is 3 by 2. So we prove it in this way. Okay, this much for today. Not that difficult work.